Hello all, this is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 13 of my 100-day AI journey. So today what I've done. So today I tried different kinds of tools like Perplexity, Claude and other tools, and also it I have used only these tools for the research purpose, that which tool gives me the best output while providing the sources or uploading PDFs or any kinds of documents. If I want to upload, then which is the perfect tool that gives me the best output. So out of all those tools that what I have researched, I found that Google Notebook LM is the perfect one, that how it can provide me in a more suitable way that what I want exactly. Okay, so for my day 12, I have gone through the Zapier automation, and I have automated one of the process also, the email automation. You can just go and have a look. I'll provide the link over there in the I. Okay, so let me show you how the Google Notebook LM works. It is a specialized LLM that works for the AI research tool and the thinking partner. So let me give you a brief what is this notebook LLM is. LM is the AI research tool and thinking partner that can analyze your sources, turn complexity into clarity and transform in your content. So it's a specialized LLM which enables itself to run into multiple sources and can generate the different kinds of outputs that you require. Let me click into this. So this is the initial landing page where you will be landing onto this. You can upload your sources, instant insights, then see the source, not just the answer. You can also analyze the sources also, that what you have produced. Then listen and learn on the go, like there is an option or the feature called the audio overview. Wherever any kinds of note is coming, you can hear it through the audio version also. Then power study, organize your thinking, spark new ideas. So it's totally depends that how you are executing your uh, sources over here in this notebook LM. So let me go into this overview or try notebook LM. Fine, let me click onto this thing. So this is the interface that you will be looking while you are coming into this notebook LM. Okay, before that you need to sign up with your Gmail account, then you can land into this page, right? These are some of the predefined features or the knowledge base, you can say, that here you can say the featured notebooks. Whatever you are trying to create or generate in this notebook LM, so these are being called as a separate notebooks. Like you can say when you are creating one when you were used to study any kinds of subjects, say physics, chemistry or biology. Say physics is a notebook, chemistry is a notebook, biology is a notebook. It contains multiple chapters, then tasks and modules. So similarly it has been arranged in such a way that for each of the notebooks there are multiple lists, and you can provide the sources also over there, so it can provide you the exact output. So here, see, for the Google Research, Arts and Culture, Notebook LM, Travel, our OpenStax. So these are the names that have been gathered directly from the sources that has been provided. So let me show you this example. How does it work over here in this notebook? Okay, so there are three divisions over here: sources, chat, and studio. Fine. So what they have done here is, here this is the list of all the sources that they have installed into this or uploaded this source file into this notebook LM. And you can click the check boxes also there, like if you want only this one, and this one to be studied from this sources only, it will take only this source data only, and based on this data it will produce the outcome. And here there are different options are there, like let me show you the studio options. Kindly, it has produced everything. Okay, I'll show you in the fresh one. So it has created one video, it has created one infographics or the slides. See see based on the source it is producing the different kinds of sources also. You can download this and provide in any of the social media platforms also, but this watermark will be present. Okay. After that, you can go into this video form also. It has created out of this whole, say 15 or 16 sources, it has created this video. Just let's hear this out.
You know, it's pretty wild to think about, right? Your DNA has 3 billion letters in its code, and a single typo, just one, could be the difference between health and a serious disease. So today, we're going to dive into how AI is giving us these what exactly we're even looking for. So, in the world of genetics, that what, the thing, age, sex, all these things that have these weird, complex, non-linear effects.
So
Sit down
what
and
it has given me, that out of the sources it has summarized the all the learnings from these sources, and it has provided me the AI powered genetics. It has given me the like the from the basics or the beginners to the advanced, that everyone can understand how it's being summarized into this genetics subject. Or you can say that it has given me the overall structure or the whole theory of this genetics to me in through the video, right? So similarly you can find the different kinds of slides also, maybe. No, it's one kind of note also. Okay, you can delete it or you can save this thing. So that is how these are the some of the, say I am currently a student uh, having some biology courses, or maybe some exams are coming up. So if I uploading some of my say NCRT books or ICAC or your state level books over there, and you want random questions, and you want that to provide the questions that may come in your exams, then you can provide the details over there, and it can create you the quiz also based on these sources, right? Or if you are appearing for any other exams, you can just provide the sources and it will generate the quizzes and also the flashcards. See, these are the flashcards. What is the primary goal? How will polygenic resource PRS for 7415 traits converted into an image format for Mad Gemini polygenic? Sorry, I'm not good at biology. It's fine. So maybe some hardcore bio students are there, so they know how it works. So that's what you can get all the details in the through of flashcards, slides, audio, video, and everything. You just name it, and you can get the overall research or the analysis done within seconds in this notebook LM. So that's why what I found is that it's quite an improvised LLM that can provide you every details out there. Okay, so let me show you one of the examples, that let me create something in front of you only. So let me go to create notebook. Okay, before that let me go to home page. All fine. So these are some of the notebooks that I have created. I'll show you, because creating video or creating audio takes some time. So in that time I'll show you these of the things that has been came up with the exact results. Okay, you can click create new over here or create new notebook over here. The result is the same. Okay, create new notebook. Fine. So this is the initial three uh, dividing pages that will show up on your screen. So you know you don't need to worry about this thing. Firstly, you don't need to enter any kinds of simple prompts or anything that can give you vague results. Okay, say uh, I want the different new models cars came in 2026. Okay, this is the prompt that I have given. You can choose the wave or the drive. If you have any uh, files that has been uploaded to the drive, you can just uh, take the files from the drive and it will be uh, do the deep research. Okay, here also there are many options: first research and the deep research. If you want to go for deep research, it will take a little bit of more time than the fast research, but it can provide you the more uh, good output from it. Okay, so now I'm kindly showing it to you, I'll be providing only the first research only to come it with this small time. So I want the different new models cars, not card, it's cars, came in 2026. So okay, or here also you can drop your files, the upload files. You can paste any YouTube link also, that if say you want to create some kind of your YouTube channels by cloning some other YouTube channels, or maybe you want to study those channels, so you can put those links here and you can analyze how it's being done, so that you can also put into the test. You can take files from the drive or you can copy the text. Fine. So let me show you with the vague example how you are getting the result, and with the exact output or the input how you are getting the result from here. Okay. So let me show you that one. So what I've given the prompt that I want the different new models cars came in 2026. So it's researching the overall websites in the whole planet, that which are the cars or which are the websites that I'm talking about, that where from where it can take up the source materials. See, upcoming car launches in April 2026, introduction auto car, new 2026 cars, auto wave, Hyundai, 7 more sources. See, I'm not getting the exact results what I'm hoping for. Fine. Now let me do one thing. Let me find, say, cars new models. You need to do some research before putting any kinds of sources in the notebook LM. Say car wale. Then again I will go for, oh, uh, EV cars. Carwala I've given, right? Fine, I will take the Reddit also. Mm, charging EV cars. Not now. Okay, so let me just copy this URLs and put it in this notebook LM. Fine. Create new notebook. I'll be creating new notebook. Add the sources. Fine. Now electric vehicles. I'm showing you everything step by step, so that you can also uh, find it, that how you can work on with the notebook LM. Fine. So these are the sources. I will not type anything. Let it do on its own. Okay, I've given this three sources. It will read the everything from the three URLs that what I've given. See, the electric vehicle outlook, Indian markets and ownership realities, right? So it has given me quite a brief by conclusive manner from these three sources. What are the long-term benefits and costs of owning an EV? So let me click. So automatically it will be generating some types of questions that may arise in your brain. So you may click on those questions to get the exact output, or you can provide say for EV cars, how much charge is required to how much charge is required. Okay, you can ask the questions also. So it will try to find the output from these three sources only. It will not cross check from the other different sources. See, recommended charge level 20-80% rule for first charging 40 to 45 minutes to charge from 20% to 80%. I think it's ultra it's carrying much more kilowatt or what. Tata Punch 30 to 40 kilowatt hour. Okay, fine. So which upcoming electric cars are coming in 2026? So see, you can generally consult with this notebook LM chat assistant bot, and you can get the exact results from this by getting the help from the three sources only. It is not taking the help from the other sources that are present on the web. Okay, so that is what I'm getting from here. Now say you want to add any node, you can add this, or say you want to add any node, say EV car 2026. I hope EV Nexus emerge as the top winner of 2026. Okay, I'm just keeping it as a note. Let me again see the note that what I've created. It will come into this uh, it will come into this under the studio. Okay, now in this studio you have audio overview, slide deck, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and data tables. So whatever in studio you are going to create, this everything will be collected out of these three sources only. It will not take any help from the outside sources. So let me show you this one mind map. Okay, how each one of is connected. It's like a tree, from a seeds a tree is giving, then the many branches are coming out, then fruits or flowers are coming up. So that's how it's bringing branches, and it's called the mind map. See, let me click onto this. Electric vehicles 2026, market in India, ownership experience, technology and future. So it will expand into more ownership experience, technology future, charging process. See, if you don't understand anything, it will simply create this mind map, and you can let me just okay, now let me see. You are getting the whole mind map from these three sources only. So if you can put more sources that you want your results to be at least specific, more accurate, 99% accurate, then provide the more details or the more sources so that it can provide you the exact output what you are trying to achieve. So okay, and you also can download this. See, it will be saved. Notebook LM mind map. How it's coming? Let me show you. You can zoom into this, cons, pros, zero emissions, lower running cost. So everything will be mentioned in this mind map. Fine. Now you want to close this collapse button. Okay, collapse button. Fine. Mind map has been done. Say you want to create the slide deck or the presentation. Say you are trying to own a franchisee, or you want to start a car business. Then you can create the franchisee and pitch it to the investors that what may be the current market standards of the EV car, and what can be the future market, and what is the growth prospectus of it. So as per your needs you can create this slide deck. Okay, now let me click onto this video overview. It will take time, so you can create the multiple studio items once at a time, so it will take less time to build. Okay, see, if you want the explainer kind of videos or you want brief kind of videos, say I want brief kind of videos. Okay, now choose the visual style: classic, whiteboard, kawaii, anime, watercolor. Say I want retro print. Okay, what should be the AI hosts on? Say owner's perspective. Fine, generate. Okay, so it's getting generated. Let's say infographic, so it will show you the overall theory or the overall outcome of this EV cars in an infographic way in a single page, and you can easily connect the dots that how it's being connected with each other. So, and you can also create the quiz that what I've shown in the previous example that I took, that they about the genetics. Okay, so you can take the help of the quiz, also the data tables. Okay, so these are the studio items that you can prepare. Create an overview, audio overview in Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi. So in different regional languages, you can create the audio overview also. So it will take time. By that time, let me show you uh, in previous previously what I have done and what I have achieved. Okay, so what I have done is that I took the source as the Google News technology, the current advancement in the AI technologies, that what I've used as the source, and what are the biggest hardware reviews for gaming and mobile. So it has given me some of the details, blah blah blah. Okay, now say I want I have given the all these studio tools and I want the result in different formats. Okay, so this is the video that has given me. See the signal in the noise.
Okay, so tech news is coming at us from all sides. It's a lot. Let's figure out what really matters. I mean, you've got huge companies like Rockstar getting hacked, putting their biggest games in jeopardy. So, with all this, the stuff you can actually hold, should their games even be on
Got
PlayStation?
it? So this is kind of video that has been generated with the use of a single source, and this is the exact presentation that is coming up. You can easily present it to someone, right? Easily present it to someone with this one. See, that's how you can create the presentation without using a single kind of source, right? Now say these was the voice. Imagine handing your unlocked phone, your email password, and your credit card to a total stranger.
Right, just a random person.
Exactly, and trusting them to just run your life. But I need to stop right here because we throw around terms like agentic and just for a lot.
Right.
What actually separates an open claw like agent from the standard AI? See, it has created
They are
me
reasoning within
20
strict
minutes of
mathematical
video.
boundaries to discover proofs that humans simply couldn't visualize.
See, but this is where I have to 20 minutes of an audio transcript. Okay, so that's how good Notebook LM is. This is the infographic. Understood that with a single source, what I'm able to generate with a into different studio mode, say uh, infographic, audio, video, and everything. So new note technology quiz. You can also see with the release of DaVinci Resolve 21, Blackmagic Design has introduced a new page specifically designed to compete with which software? Maybe Adobe Lightroom or Final Cut Pro. I think Avid Media Composer, not quite Adobe Lightroom. See, I don't know the answer. Maybe you are guessing it right. So yeah, so that's what you can also your test your knowledge over here. Then the technology and product headlines, that if you want kinds of some kinds of analysis also, it will show you the Google, it will show you the analysis also. As I was trying with the different mobiles and the technologies, it has given me the overall output here in the form of a data table. So is there anything? It's a flashcards. It just gives you small updates about which software updates introduce a new photo page to compare with Adobe Lightroom. Got it? Next, what is the primary? So that's how you can check all these studio tools, right? Let's see, it's still yet generating. Okay, I think the infographic is ready. Just check it. Just check it how it's coming up. You can also give the notebook LMS the good content or bad content based on your expected output. So that's how the notebook LM works. And I think the perplexity uh, is a good tool for the research and analysis. But I think when you are giving the sources, you are getting the generated output in a much more sharper way. You don't need to go to other tools to create these kinds of video, audios, infographics, or any other say mind maps or reports or data tables. You are getting everything under a single platform. So out of my researching in all the research tools, I found this notebook LM a quite bit handy to understand how I work and what kind of analysis I'm trying to do and what kind of analysis I'm trying to uh, get out of it. So that's how I have used this notebook LM, and I probably you will also be taking the help of this notebook LM and understand how the everything works or how this LLM works, right? So that's all about day 13. Thank you everyone.